Okay, well, in addition to what my colleagues have said, let me introduce myself. Usezua Stephen Imobi is my name. I'm the president of Independent Television Producers Association of Nigeria, ITPAN. It was a very, very good gathering. Like the minister said, the Minister of Culture, he said something that what we are supposed to do as practitioners, coming together, government deem it fit and deem it right for them to bring us together under one roof, the various guilds and associations. And I think that's a great feat that we've achieved today. Aside from the 3 billion naira thing, we talk about other problems, talking about the bilateral treaty, which I think going back to Abuja, they are going to really look into that. So on behalf of my members, the members of my association, I must say a very big thank you to the government of President Goodluck Jonathan for this great feat